Hey marketing leader, how you doing? Today I'd like to talk to you about reiterating your existing website, and actually maybe let me rephrase it, why you should never stop reiterating your existing website. It's actually a valid point. There is a chance that you are thinking about replacing the existing website with the new one, but before you do it, hear me out, okay? I think I do have a few valid points that you should consider. I guess that's it for the intro. Let's do it. Off the get-go, think about big boys, big companies, Amazon, John Lewis, Marks and Spencer's, all of those companies, they never actually replace their website. It's that simple. What was the last time you've seen the new Amazon website? Yes, if you compare screenshots from, I don't know, 2000 to 2022, you'll see a huge difference, but it's not the new website, it's just an improved website. That's the bottom line that I'm getting at in this video, that you should never stop reiterating your existing website and perhaps rethink if you really should invest in the new one, because there might not be a reason to. My first point is that business is extremely dynamic beast. It changes all the time, and obviously from new hires to marketing ideas to sales pitches and all sorts of stuff, executive decisions, it's never the same. It changes daily. So why your website shouldn't? Website is the storefront, a digital storefront to be precise, to your business for outsiders. It only makes sense to keep it up to date all the time. And if you keep it up to date all the time, then maybe the perspective of replacing it with a new website is not that attractive, because it's good. Because you've done your work, you've been doing the work, it's up to date, everyone's happy, it reflects your brand perfectly, content messaging is on the spot. Why replace it? What would you replace it with? Marketing is changing all the time as well, and I mentioned that in the business point, but here what I mean specifically is you keep tweaking those Google ads, those advertisement campaigns and social posts, the way you write them, you try different call to actions and all those sorts of things. It just makes sense to keep the website in line with those ideas too, to make that marketing investment pay for itself. Again, just keep reiterating that website based on your marketing decisions, because website is a marketing tool. It has to follow the suit. My favorite point on the list today is that you will keep learning. If you keep reiterating your existing website, you will keep learning. It's that simple. The minute you put something out in front of people, the feedback will start flowing and you will know how to improve, and you will know whether it works or it doesn't. You'll be given an opportunity to create something else and compare if it works better or not. It's so-called split testing. It exists everywhere almost in marketing. The quick feedback loop, as I call it, is just invaluable. You have to keep reiterating to know if you're heading in the right direction. Yes, you might have a huge goal ahead of you, but goal without the journey, without the plan, is just wishful thinking. You have to have those micro steps, reiterating so-called, to get eventually where you want to get to. Reiterate to keep learning, to gather that data, to get that insight into customer journey feedback, whatever, and again, improve on that too. So it's never-ending story. On that note though, nothing is perfect. This is very important to memorize. You have to just agree and accept the reality that nothing is perfect. So you just have to do your best and keep going. If you build a new website, you will eventually end up in the same position when you will want a new website again. Instead of following that, vicious cycle, just stick to what you have and try to make it better. That's it. Doesn't have to be perfect to work. Nothing's perfect. There's always room for improvement. Keep going. Keep pushing, keep introducing new ideas, keep testing, keep playing around, see what works, see what doesn't, because that's what the iteration is about. That's what the continuous improvement is all about. That's why we love Agile. And final word, really? Well, you might want to reiterate your existing website for technology reasons. If you're not a programmer and not really into tech overall, you still will see how quick technology progresses daily. I mean, you get those new phones, new gadgets all the time. It's just crazy. So imagine what's the code like. The code that runs your website, all the integrations, all the software, it also evolves at the same pace. It changes daily. You get patches to your WordPress plugins, right? You get updates to APIs and all those different data points. It's crazy. So if you don't stay on top of that game, you are risking accumulating so-called technical debt that's crazy expensive and difficult to pay off. And the more you have that debt, the tougher it is to get out of it, unfortunately. So stay on top of those technological advancements as well. This is very important. And that's it from me. Hope you enjoyed the list. So let me know in the comments what you think. Are you reiterating your existing website, or when was the last time you updated anything on your website? Maybe you can't update things on your website because that's how some websites are. Do let me know. Let's start a chat in the comment section. And for now, I will sign off. Thank you very much for listening. I will see you in the next one. Good luck.